Hi again. I hope that you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be doing a very quick foundations video. A lot of you have asked me how you can help your child during the summer, and I think this is the best way because once they know the sounds that the letters make, it'll be easy for them to blend them together and make new words or even read new words. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go in order, starting with the letter A. We're going to go over the letter, the picture that helps us remember it, and also the sound. Keep in mind that you can test yourself or have your parent test you as far as the sounds. You can point to the letter and ask for the sound to be given to you, or give a sound and ask for the letter. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This is A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, O. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. This next ones are going to be digraphs. We're going to start with WH, and if you notice on our foundations boards, they're always the one in the front. So it might look a little like this. I'm missing a letter there, but it starts with WH and it ends in CK. WH is commonly used in the beginning of words. That's why it's at the beginning. And CK, the K sound at the end, is usually at the end of the words, like back and sock. That is why they're here. Also, if you notice, these are doubled at the end because when they're at the end of a word, they're always doubled. Like, for example, the word up and all, both doubled at the end. So the way that we do the sound review for this one, or we call it a sound drill warm-up, is we go WH, whistle, W. TH, thumb, Th. SH, ship, Sh. CH, chin, Ch. CK, sock, K. This next one's all in the green are what we called glute sounds. When we tap them out too, we usually glue the glute sound. For example, this one has two letters, A and N, so we glue two of our fingers together. For example, in the word fan, we go f, an, fan, and then we blend it together. So in this case, it's the same thing. We go A-N, fan, an. A-M, ham, am. A-L-L, ball, all. These next ones have three and glute sounds. They're called the glute sounds, but they have three letters on them. So when we tap them out, for example, in the word fang, f, and then our glute sounds, because it has three letters, f, ang, fang. So we go A-N-G, bang, ang. And you want to emphasize the last g sound, because when we are writing, we want to make sure that we're hearing it too. So this one goes I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. And usually what we make it fun in class, we try to go O-N-G, song, ong. This one is U-N-G, lung, ung. This next ones are fairly new to our class. We went over them fairly quickly before we had to get out of school. So I'm going to go over, I think I have three only here, but I'm missing the last one. So I'll go over them regardless. A-N-K, bank, ank. And you want to make sure that you specify that the k and the end, the sound at the end. So A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. And the last one was U-N-K, junk, unk. I must have left it somewhere in the classroom, but last one is U-N-K, junk, unk. Fairly quickly, I'm going to go over the sight words that your students or your kiddos should know at home already. At any time, if you want to view this video just to review the words, you can press pause and ask. Maybe you guys can do it just like I did. I have mine on little post, what are they? Little white cards, I'm not sure. But you can write them like this and then see how many they can read. There is a list of about 128. I will be trying to include it on some of our links for our Google Learning. You guys can print them out or copy them down and test them on those. But these, I think I only counted 40 that we should know up to this point because we've been practicing. So the first one is B. B-E. And these are called trick words, or what we call trick words, because we can't really tap them out. For some of them they work, but for example, this would be b-e, be, but that is not the case. So they're trick words because they're kind of trying to trick us. So again, these are called trick words. Usually in the class we would see them in purple, so it might help your students at home to write it in purple. Again, they know that these are trick words. The first one is be, into, for, or, you, your, they, was, one, said, where, his, when, what, who, are, were, does, do, have, from, the, put, try, to, my, by, why, here, there, backwards, and, is, of, as, has, to, we, he, she. The last one we should know is me. Those are 40 words that they've already, or you should already know, 40 words that we've gone over in class up to this point. The best way to practice is to give your student works and have them form them with their foundation magnet boards. I will, on the description at the bottom of the video, I will put some words that you can have your kids form, and also a set of some of our sentences that they can write on their whiteboards. They look like this. And I will also put the sentences down below in the description. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope this helped.